Hey YouTube, what's going on? This is part 1 of my 2014 video editing PC build. I will also be using it for gaming, but primarily video editing. I based the system around the Intel i7 processor. I didn't include an individual shot of the motherboard, but it is an Asus Maximus Hero 6. Here's the case, the Fractal Design R4. It's a full ATX silent full tower case. I have 650 watt power supply and a GeForce GTX 660 video card. As I said, it is an i7 processor. This is the 4770K. I also have the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo. I do not plan to overclock as it might make my video editing system unstable. Here is 16 GB of RAM, 120 GB SSD, and a 2 TB hard drive for storage. That concludes all the components I'm using to build my computer. Thank you for watching, leave a comment below, and check out part 2. Subscribe for more.